This is Joanna B. Miranda, and you're watching my YouTube channel, Dr. Vlogger. For today, I'm going to share with you guys a very important trip that my husband and I and some of my friends went to last year. Dahil ngayon lang din naman ako nag-decide mag-vlog. So, i-include ko na lang din siya since I got some footages sa trip namin na yon. And this is to Korea! Yay! So, my friends know, at saka ngayon malalaman nyo na din, gusto ko talaga K-drama, K-pop din, some K-pop, hindi naman lahat. So, of course, dahil gusto mo din pumunta dun sa country nila. So, pumunta kami ng husband ko. I actually planned it even before last year. After sana sa kasal, things happened. So, nangyari na lang siya last year. So, that was our Korea trip. 2017. Ang trip na to is a do-it-your-own trip. So, I was the one who made the itinerary. Actually, parang 1 week kami doon. So, talagang inisa-isa ko talaga yung day na kung pwede pa lang mapuntahan lahat. But of course, it's impossible. So, we weren't able to go to some of the places that I wanted to go to. So, okay lang. Pero parang nasulit naman siya. And, yun, do-it-your-own itinerary lang siya. And sabi naman ng mga friends ko, parang nasulit naman namin yung 6 to 7 days namin doon. Every day, meron talaga kami pinupuntahan. Some of the places that we went to, of course, yung Nami Island, Everland, and then, syempre, yung Seoul mismo, yung sabi nilang Insa Dome, of course, yung Dome, na, just like, di ba dahil mayroon nga yung previous vlog is about the Korean skincare routine ko. So, doon ako ng hoard ng mga Korean products that I love. And marami kami binili na to the point na baka mag-excess baggage. Pero okay lang, hindi naman po. So, parang in-anticipate ko na yon. So, yung baggage namin pabalik, mas marami kaysa sa baggage namin papunta doon. So, and I realized ngayon na nag-browse ako ng mga photos and videos, pwede naman siya magawa ng vlog. I-organize ko siya from day 1 to day 7, pero may mga kulang talaga, hindi talaga siya yung tipong masasabi mo, yun lahat na napuntahan namin, nagawa namin, kainan namin. So, yeah. Then, pumunta rin kami sa Hongdae, ganun. Pumunta rin kami sa the Media City, yung may mga stars, yung celebrities, na nakita lang namin yung kay Song Joong Ki. Anyway, hindi. And marami kami napuntahan. So, pat on the back, Joanna B. I think I did a great job doing that itinerary. And yun, too bad na may mga moments talagang dapat na video hindi na-include. But sige lang. Anyway, ang mga kasama ko dito sa vlog na to is of course my husband and some of my friends from work na mas nauna kasi kami nag-book ng ticket ng husband ko. Tapos itong mga friends ko, they're also K-drama addicts. As well as K-pop. Pero mas K-drama nga. Eh, sabi ko naman, bakit hindi kayo punta ng Korea? Eh, gusto nyo naman yung place. Then they booked the ticket, the same days, the same, yun. Kaya magkakasama kami. So you will see them in my vlog. Just want to know my personal experience, my own itinerary. Anong ginawa namin? Pwede naman ako mag-share. Just comment down below. Enjoy the video and annyeong!